Welcome to the second episode of the ZBrush to Maya with Ornatrix series. Quick recap of episode 1. Exported a full resolution fiber mesh from ZBrush with export curves. Imported those curves into Maya, converted them to Ornatrix guides, grounded them on the scalp, collapsed the stack, and grew dense strands, added extra guides, cleaned the groom with brushes and modifiers, then ran an Arnold GPU test render. Episode roadmap for today: export a lightweight fiber mesh from ZBrush by lowering PreViz in preview settings. Bring the reduced curves into Maya and ground them on the scalp. Filter, collapse, and rename the guide object. Grow full hair with the hair from guides workflow. Refine a parting, add clumps, frizz, and varied length for realism. Let's start with ZBrush. Open preview settings and drop PreViz to about 20% so the style keeps its shape yet uses fewer curves. Click Export Curves. ZBrush warns that roughly 1,400 curves will be written. Confirm and save in .ma file. Let's jump over to Maya. Choose File, Import, Maya ASCII, and load the curves. A single group containing roughly 700 curves appears. Select the group, run Ornatrix, add hair, guides from curves, then hide the original curves. Let's attach the guides to the scalp. Add ground strands modifier, disable ground closest end option. Pick the scalp and distribution mesh and press Attach Roots button. In Edit Guides modifier, shrink guide width to 3 for a clearer view. Let's filter and collapse the stack. Add Ornatrix filter modifier, set method to even, drag filter value down until the guide density feels right. Stack another Edit Guides modifier, choose collapse up to here, then delete the imported curve group. Let's grow the hair. Apply hair from guides modifier and enable full hair display. Let's carve a clean parting. Create a fresh Edit Guides modifier. Move guides to define the part line. Use Plant Guides tool or Create Brush to plant extra guides between strands along the parting. Drop in a clump modifier for primary groupings. Handy grooming tips. Isolate areas with hide non-selected and turn on effect selected only in comb brush. Switch comb brush to legacy mode for smoother rig behavior while styling. If visual feedback is tricky, add mesh from strands. Tick ignore hidden strands option and dial thickness with change width modifier. Inside hair from guides modifier, toggle hide to simplify the viewport during combing. Let's add some realism. In Frizz, set outliers to full influence, shape them, then drop overall amount to roughly 30%. Adding extra frizz at the tips. Before clumping, insert length modifier and randomize around 30%. Inside clump, tick Preserve Strand Length and press Create to update clumping whenever guides change. After frizz, add another length modifier, holding about 80% length for variation. Final thoughts. The hair from guides pipeline lets you block the style with a minimal guide set, then grow dense strands quickly. Combine filtering, planting, and modifiers to sculpt without wrestling thousands of guides. Try this lightweight export on your own fiber mesh grooms and see how fast you can iterate. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and see you next time.